This often happens that sometimes we change the screen lock, but after a while, we forget what the screen lock is. If that's your case, in this video tutorial we're going to explain an easy and quick way to access your device without knowing. So, even if we've forgotten our screen lock, let's say you changed the pattern, password, or PIN on our device and we try to log in, but it won't let us in because we've forgotten it. Well, don't worry, because there's an alternative that lets us use a way to access our device. When we log into our phone, what we're going to do is the following. Because it's an alternative that gives us access to our device and allows us to make a backup. Because that's what we really need to do. A backup, because when we forget our screen lock, we can't recover it anymore because we won't be able to change the pattern or password again. Our device's screen lock is no longer the same, but we do have the opportunity to make a backup and recover all the information we have on our phone. Yes, you can see that we can enter here, just like we did here, without needing to enter that screen lock. Well, having said all that, what we need to know is this. First, don't turn off your phone because it's very important. For this to work, the phone shouldn't have been turned off or restart it, because this won't work. Here we have our PIN lock. It tells us to enter our fingerprint, which is how we can enter our fingerprint. But as I just told you, this works if the phone wasn't turned off or restarted. Having done all that, what we have to do is go to settings and make a backup.